Morning students. So previous classes I think question number 19 is completed or 18 completed. Exemplar question number 21 का second part from exemplar question number 21 पेज नंबर 53 का सेकेंड पार्ट फ्रॉम एग्जाम्पलर. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. फाइंड द सम एंड सीरीज गिवन 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4 minus 3 by n plus so on up to n terms. Find their sum. So series given, find their sum. So let S is equal to, S for sum, S is equal to 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4 minus 3 by n plus so on up to n terms. So what is the total number of terms? Total number of term is n. This is first term, second term, third term, so on up to n terms. So this first term is what? 4. So 4. How many 4 times? How many 4? How many times of 4? 1 4, second 4, third 4, so on up to n times. So this can written 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus so on up to n times. That is first term. Then write second term. Minus 1 by n, minus 2 by n, minus 3 by n, then minus common and 1 by n also common. So remaining term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n times. That is, write first term before, then write second term. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 up to n times. So what is their sum? Their sum is 4n. 4 plus 4n times, that is 4n. Then minus 1 by n. And this is AP series. AP, whose first term is 1. Common difference 1. Total number of terms n. So use formula, that is sum is n by 2. Sum is formula, what is formula? N by 2 into a plus l. What is the last term? N is the last term, first term, second term, third term 3, fourth term 4, fifth term 5, nth term is n. So last term is n. और यूज फार्मूला n इज इक्वल टू n बाई 2 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, उससे भी निकाल सकते हो, और n प्लस a प्लस l. दिस इज 1, दिस n कैंसिल, दिस इज इक्वल टू 4n माइनस n प्लस 1 बाई 2. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई, 2 is LCM, so 8n minus n minus 1, 8n minus n, that is 7n, yet divided by 2 becomes 1 multiplied n plus 1, but bracket open, then sign changed. So 7n minus 1 by 2. This is the sum. Now question number 29 from exemplar, question number 29. Read the question. Question number 29. 29 is find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP. Sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Middlemost term given. Find the sum of first 11 terms. So here total number of term is 11 and first term suppose A. Let first term is equal to A and common difference is equal to D because AP not given. So suppose A is the first term and D is the common difference. And what is the total number of terms? Total number of terms is 11. So what is the middle term? What is the middle term? Already formula. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose AP has 5 terms. Then middle term is a third term. That is 5 plus 1 by 2th term. So here n is equal to 11. Since n is equal to 11, which is odd. So therefore middle term. What is the formula of middle term? When n is odd, formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. So here n is equal to what? 11. So 11 plus 1 by 2th term. So this is the middle term. And middle term given, middle term is 30. Middle term given 30. So 30 is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6th term. 6th term. And what is 6th term? 6th term is A plus 5D. So A plus 5D is equal to 30. Now find the sum of first 11 term, sum of all 11 term, that is find S11. So S11 is 11 by 2 into 2A plus 11 minus 1 into D. This is the formula. This is equal to 11 by 2 into 2A plus 10D. Here 2 is common. So taking 2 common. So 11 by 2, 2 is common, becomes 2 plus 5D. This 2 to cancel and put value of 2 plus 5D. Sorry, when 2 is common then becomes A. So put value A plus 5D. The value of A plus 5D is 30. So 11 into 30 is equal to 330. This is the sum of first 11 terms. This is question number 29. Then next question number 30. Now question number 30. Question number 30. 30 is find the sum of last 10 term of AP. An AP given. What is AP? AP is 8, 10, 12, so on, 126. AP given. And find the sum of last 10 term. So what is your A? 8 and D 2, second term minus first term. But here find the sum of last 10 terms. Find the sum of last 10 terms. So write the sequence from last. When write from last, then what is the first term? First term is 126 from last term. Last से क्या करना है? Find the sum of last 10 terms. So formula is sum of last n terms or sum of last 10 terms. Formula is 10 by 2 into 2L. L for last term. फॉर्मूला क्या होता है 2A, यहाँ पे A के प्लेस पे क्या होगा L लास्ट टर्म, प्लस 10 माइनस 1 इंटू डी, डी के प्लेस पे क्या होगा माइनस डी, क्योंकि आप चल रहे हो लास्ट से। जब लास्ट से सम निकालेंगे तो डी के प्लेस पे वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा माइनस डी, और ए के प्लेस पे वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा लास्ट टर्म, दैट इज एल। सो दिस इज द सम ऑफ लास्ट टर्म फॉर्मूला n बाई 2 2a नॉट 2l, बिकॉज आप लास्ट से सम निकाल रहे हो तो फर्स्ट टर्म हो गया 126, दैट इज लास्ट टर्म। सो दिस इक्वल टू 10 बाई 2 दैट इज 5, व्हाट इज l, हियर व्हाट इज d, here d is second term minus first term, that is 2. So 5l, l is 126 plus 9, d is 2, so value is minus 2. Now simplify, so 5 into multiply by 2, so 6 to the 12, 1 5 2 and minus 18, 9 to the 18 minus 18, so 5 into subtract 12 minus 8, that is 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3, this is 2. Now multiply it, 5 4 is 20, 0 carry 2, 5 3 is 15, 2 17, 1 10, 1 11. So the sum of last 10 term is 1170. Check the answer is correct or not. Exercise 5.3 and question number 30. Check the answer 5.3, question number 30. Where is answer? 5.3, question number 30. 30 is 1170. So answer is correct. If any question calculation mistake, then you correct. Okay. किसी क्वेश्चन में यदि कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होता है तो आप लोग करेक्ट कर लोगे। सो 30 ओवर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 इज फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 टर्म्स which are multiples of 2 as well as 9, that is that number multiple of 2 and as well as 9, that is 2 का भी मल्टीपल होना चाहिए और एंड 18 का भी मल्टीपल होना चाहिए। सो किस टाइप का नंबर होगा जो 2 का मल्टीपल भी हो और 9 का भी मल्टीपल हो? 2 का मल्टीपल एंड 9 का मल्टीपल, दैट इज दैट नंबर इज ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 18, जो 18 का मल्टीपल्स होगा, that numbers multiple of 2 and 9 also. So here find the sum of first 7 terms. So write first 7 terms, that is first 7 terms of multiple of 18. First 7 terms of multiple of 18. So the numbers, 7 numbers which are multiple of 2 and 9, comma, that numbers are multiple of 18, 2 9 दोनों का मल्टीपल है, so that number multiple of 18. So write 7 numbers, therefore numbers are 18, next 36, 54, write up to 7 times, इसका सम निकाल लोगे। फर्स्ट टर्म इज 18, कॉमन डिफरेंस also 18, here a is equal to 18 and common difference D is equal to second term minus first term also 18 and total number of term n is equal to 7. Find S7 निकाल लेंगे फॉर्मूला से यूज करके आप निकाल लोगे. So question 31 completed. Now sample question number 1. Sample question number 1. Sample question number 1. Sample question number 1, page is 54. So question is the sum of 4 consecutive numbers. What are the 4 consecutive numbers of AP? आप स्टार्टिंग बताए हैं. 4 consecutive numbers are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. These are the 4 consecutive numbers of an AP. स्टार्टिंग बताएं, इसको आप नोट कर लोगे. These are the 4 consecutive numbers of an AP. So you are given the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is an AP is 32. So first suppose 4 consecutive numbers. So let 4 numbers of an AP are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. These 4 numbers and given their sum is 32. So according to question A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D sum is 32. This is equal to 32. Now simplify. So here 3D minus plus cancel, D minus plus cancel. Now add A plus A plus A plus A 4 times, that is 4A is equal to 32. So A is equal to 8. This is the first term. And also given and the ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of 2 middle term. Ratio of the product of first and last term. Again according to question, product of first and last term, that is A minus 3D into A plus 3D ratio, that is divided by the ratio of the product of first term and last term to the product of 2 middle terms. What is the middle term? A minus D and A plus D, these 2 middle terms. So their product, that is A minus D into A plus D, and their value is given 7 by 15. Value given 7 by 15. So now cross multiply, use identity A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus 9D square upon A square minus D square is equal to 7 by 15, and A given. So put A is equal to 8 and then find D. A put कर दें 8. So 8 square 64 minus 9D square upon 64 D square is equal to 7 by 15. अब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके D फाइंड कर लोगे. A और D दोनों फाइंड हो गया. निकालना क्या है? फाइंड द नंबर्स. आप A और D के वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दोगे, नंबर फाइंड हो जाएगा, बन जाएगा. इसके बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एंड फाइंड D and put A and D here, required number is obtained. Okay.